Good morning, students. Our today's topic is how to calculate median for discrete series. Median for discrete series. Now you are seeing that in front of you it is given to you calculate median for the following data. X is given, F is given. What you all have to do, you have to write X and F. X and F. Now stepwise we will do. First step is arrange the data into ascending order. As you are seeing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It is already arranged in ascending order. So no need to arrange it again. And for checking whether it is ascending or not ascending, you have to check always X or you have to check your class intervals. They should be there because frequencies will be in jumbled up order only. So the next step is to find sigma f, that is total of the frequency, which you will take as n, So what is the total over here? I have added 7 plus 14 plus 18 plus 36 plus 51 plus 54 plus 52 plus 20. You will get 252. Now this third column you have to make yourself. It is not given in your question. As I have told you many times how to do this, but today again I am going to tell you. And how you are going to do this? First of all, in first column you will write same 7. In next column this 7 will be added to this 14, that is 7 plus 14. It will give you 21. Then this 21 will be added to this 18, that is 21 plus 18 will give you 39. And in the next one you have to add this 39 plus 36, that will be your 75. And in next you have to add your this 75 and 51, that is 75 plus 51, it will give you 126. And in next this 126 will be added to 54, that is 126 plus 54, it will give you 180. And in next 180 plus 52, it will give you 232. And then this 232 plus 20 will give you 252. Beta, you have to check this. Your this and this total should always be same. ये same होना चाहिए आपका. Now the third step, first you have arranged, it was already there. Then you have to find sigma f, you have already total. Then CF you have find. Now this is the formula which you will use for discrete series. Size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So what is here? N 252, you put here 252, you will get 252 plus 1, you will get 253. 250 divided by 2, you will get 126.5. Now beta, you have to check where this value will lie, and you have to check like this as I am telling you. See, you start from the first line. This 7 is your less than 126.5, so it will not be your class median. Then this 21 is also less, so it will also not be your class median. Then this 39 is also less than 126.5, so it will not be your class median. Then your 75 is also less than, and your 126 is also less than 126.5. So when you are putting cross, that this is less cross, this is less cross, this is less cross, you have come to this point. At this point, this is less means this is cross and this is more, so this will be tick, and we will use this as your median group. We will use this. I hope you have understood how we have calculated these. Got it? These are the symbols. This is not you have to don't write. This is what I have explained, how to choose median group. Now after choosing median group, you are seeing that in this column 30 is your variable. 30 is your variable, that is x, and that will be your median. That will be your median. Means it is very important to check where your this size will exist in CF column, where your this size will exist in CF column. So this I have told you. These are some questions for you. In this question you see 14, 12, 10, 13. It is not arranged. So you will first arrange, then you will do. Now the next question is your median for continuous series. In this it is been given to you people that calculate the median. What you will do? You will do write these column as it is given in the question. The same steps, arrange the data in ascending order as it is already arranged, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So no need to arrange again. You have to find n, that is sigma f. So you have to total these. 8 plus 30, 38 plus 40, 78 plus 12, 90 plus 10, 100. You will get your 100. Then you have to find CF. As I have told you, in first it will come same. Then it will come like this. 8 plus 30, it will give you 38. Then this 38 plus 40 will give you 78. And then this 78 plus 12 will give you 90. And then this 90 and 10, 90 plus 10 will give you 100. Then again you have to check this 100 and this 100 will be both same. Now fourth step is, in this time you have to find the value of n by 2. Take care, in that question it was n plus 1 by 2, but in this question it is n by 2. So what is your n? N is your 100. Divide by 2, 50. Now you have to check this 50 value to find out your median class. Using this 50 you will find out your median class. So let's have a check. This 8 is smaller, so it will not be a median class. This 38 is smaller, it will not be a median class. Now you have got 78. So before it is smaller. So this is the next value which you are getting greater than 50. In some cases you can get exact same also. If you are getting same, that you will choose. If you are not getting same, then you have to choose the first greater cumulative frequency than this n by 2. First greater cumulative frequency. Greater, this 90 and this 100 also greater beta, but you will take the first one greater cumulative frequency. So when these are written like this in order, so this 8 and 38 are smaller. So after 38 you are having CF 78, which is greater than 50. That one you will use, and this will be your median class. This will be your median class. Now in this median class, you know this 20 is your L2, L1. This median is your L1, lower limit. Now we have to find out the formula values. That the formula is median is, so you know how we have choose 20 to 30 as median class. Here written also 20 to 30 median class. So next formula is L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon f into I. This you have to learn. What is L1 here? From this group, lower limit L1 20. What is n by 2? Here you have calculate n by 2 is 100 by 2, that is 50. What will be your I? Difference between this 20 and 30. What is the difference? 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 10. What is the difference? 10. Then frequency. Which frequency you will take? Beta, in this formula you are having f and cf, but which f? There are so many f. So f you will take which is given in this column only. F you will use which is given in this selected box. Got it? This will be your f. Always check that whenever you have selected the median class accurately, in that median class you will have a class interval. The lower limit of that will be treated as L1 and the frequency in that column only will be treated as your F. Now what about this CF? This CF will be from just above this. Just above this column is this 38. So this CF you will treat. You will treat this CF in your formula. So it is written also here, frequency that lies in the row median class 40. This is the rows. ठीक है, CF that lies in the row just above median class. इस median class के ऊपर ये row है, इस row में CF 38 है, then you will use 38. So next step is your to put the values in the formula. So you have put the values. L1 was 20, n by 2 is your 50, CF is your 38, F is your 40, I is your 10. So what you will get? 20 plus 50 minus 40 will give you 12. Then 12 upon 40 into 10. When you will calculate this, you will get answer 3. And the 20 plus 3 will give you 23. So your median marks is 23. Hope you have understood median for continuous series and median for your discrete series. Today you have got 3 questions in your homework, that is question number 10 and question number 8. 8 is having 2 parts, so you have to do that. Thank you and have a nice day.